Baby, it's the vibe for me. I watch too much TikTok. Hey, what's up? Hello, it's Miyah Styles, where everything is hair related. In today's video, obviously by the title, you can see that I'm going to be taking out these box braids. I had these in for probably like 3 weeks. I was trying to hit a month, but I'm kind of over them. Like, I just want to take them out at this point. But that's long. For me, at least. That's really long. I usually only last like a week and a half to 2 weeks. So going on 3 weeks, I didn't even notice until I looked when I was about to record this. I was like, I hit 3 weeks? Like, at me. I never last this long. But anyway, so, also, I hit 1K. I hit 1K over here. Turn me up. 100. Wait, not 100. I can't count. I don't know the numbers. Hold on. It's been a long time. 1,000 subscribers is what I got. Like, I'm tweaking. Because I got thousands of, like, not subscribers, followers on TikTok. But, like, I want to have thousands of people on YouTube as well. I want to have everybody everywhere. So, yeah, I'm very grateful, though. Thank you for the 1,000 people that did subscribe to me and that are still watching my videos. Much love to you. Kisses, kisses, kisses. But, yeah, so back into the video. That was just something I had to say because I forgot to say it in my last video. I had to get out the way. But yes, I'm very thankful. Thank you. So yeah, I put these in about a month ago. Not a month ago. 3 weeks ago, like I said. To be exact. It's actually been 3 weeks to be exact. And this is what they look like. Look, I don't tie my hair down. I don't put a scarf on. I know I said I was going to try to do that, but I don't be doing that. I don't be wanting to. They really look like, you see I got some build up from my eco. This is, you can see the dirt. Let me focus it. You can see that dirt there. Not even dirt, but like build up basically. Yeah. So that's what they looking like for real. Some of them, like this one, my hair came out a little bit. It was my first time doing it with my short hair. I haven't learned how to tuck my hair that well. But I mean, hey, 3 weeks, honey. What you talking about? Now, see, I can see where my hair's coming out here, so I'm going to cut it like a little bit lower than that. Like before, I had to like really worry about where to cut it, but your girl like bald headed for real, so like, I know my hair probably not this long, but we still gonna cut that right there anyway. Yes sir, yes sir. Guys, aren't you excited? Excited about what? I hit 1K. Now we can be a big family. Like, now we have more people. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited. I hope everybody stays. Just took this one out and I'm sorry for the noise, but ew, it's so hard right here. Oh my gosh, that is nasty. Nasty. Alright, I started to take out this one as well. I did cut like half my head already. But that's because I made a TikTok. I'm making a TikTok with the YouTube video. So if you want to watch my TikToks, you can follow me on TikTok at Miyah Styles. I forgot I put rubber bands in these too. I'm just going to try to slip them out a little bit. I forgot I did that. I hate that. Like, the hairstyle be looking better with rubber bands sometimes, especially because I couldn't really grip this because it was so short. But it's gonna take me forever to get rubber bands out of my hair. Another nastiness, like, oh my gosh, that's my hair. It's that dirty. Like, I'm kind of crooked, but like for me, I don't know. I don't be putting that much stuff in my hair, I don't think. I mean, it's more so just right in the front perimeter because of like my Eco Styler gel. Hold on. So I just look so... There we go. That's a little bit better. You can see my face a little bit better. But yeah, it's because of my Eco Styler gel that I use. I use the argan oil cum, but I use it every day. I'm not gonna lie. Because I feel like it holds my edges. But because of that, my hair look like that. So I'm really gonna have to scrub it up the rubber band. These rubber bands are gonna be the death of me. I don't have the time to be playing with these. They're so slippery because I put that oil on them. Like, if you wanted to see me install these braids, you can watch. Show YouTube video, I'll link it. But I did put oil on them, just like I said, because I wanted them to slip out. But they're slipping out my hands more so. Okay, I got it. Oh my gosh, Ronnie, my hair feels kind of like a little soft. Y'all, I was confused for a second. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, in my hand, I just stopped, but I forgot I cut my hair again. Okay, so since my hair is like stopping there, you know what I'm saying, we're not gonna do all this. This is wasting my time. I just needed to really see. We go and guess like here. Oh my god, did I cut my hair? No. I could cut them shorter than that. Cause I just wasted my time. You know what I'm saying? Wasting your time. Yeah, I could cut it shorter than that. Okay. Oh, they just break? Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, baby, it's the vibe for me. I watch too much TikTok.
Active by night, keep going crazy. Active by night, keep going crazy.
They're all out. My head itched a little bit, but my hair is so soft. Okay, now you can obviously see this is some new growth, because when I blow dried it all the way, you know what I'm saying, it was like this length for real. So I know if I blow dried it some more, obviously it would be longer. Like, okay, new growth. Okay, but this nasty. a little nasty. Ugh. 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 But I mean, overall, my hair grew. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. I think I might do another protective hairstyle and keep it in for about the same amount of time. Try to do a month. My parts is still kind of here for real, but I don't really care about this. This is the back. I think the back right here. This is really long right here. I'm shy. Okay, that is in this video. I know that I'm ending looking disgusting, but this is what I came here to show y'all. If y'all want to see me actually watch it, it'll be in my next Saturday video, and I'll be showing y'all my deep condition, you know what I'm saying, all that. So if you're interested in seeing that, then make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified whenever that video is posted. Or you could just like wait until Saturday and, you know, see it then, or maybe you won't see it. So if you don't subscribe, you probably won't see it. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, hit that like button if you did like this type of video. Comment down below which one to see in a future video, and I'll see you on my next one. I'm leaving for real now. Peace.